The question ponders, but Panjim footballer, again he has the opportunity. He is one-on-one with the goalkeeper, and it's 2-0. So too easy for... Oh! Panjim have scored the... Or Guardian Angel, but the cross flies across the face of goal. This time a cross comes in. Oh! He misses the opportunity. Goes on top once again. Might be an opportunity. Mistimed header. And he finishes it. Yes, he does. It's 4-0 for Panjim. Players managed to passes it across the field of play. It's a great opportunity. Panjim have a chance. Oh, great save by Pratish. Inside once again. Guardian Angel might have an opportunity here. Gets past his man, shoots inside, and it's a goal. Guardian Angel have found a way back. It's 4-1. Delivers the ball inside. Doesn't find the connection. It's with the number 33. Whoa! What a shot, but Vipin Sharma. One